nature of the ones infected, the virus is spreading rapidly. Government officials are reporting that there is no cure for the virus, and sufficient systems and for contact. Citizens are also urged to barricade all doors, windows, and any other point of entry. The United States
Main menu. To listen to your messages, press 1.
Victor, it's Cody. Listen, we don't have much time. Chris, he's the one behind it all. He engineered the H2OX virus, and we got to move fast.